We are finally doing the TARDY Productions annual Billy's Beach Run ride. We've got everything from the Gold Wing to whatever Forrest is riding. We have so many Bolton bikes here, guys. Just a plethora. Everybody good to go? All right, let's do this.
So fun. Yeah!
I don't have a horn. I'm are new to the channel, my name is Aaron. This is TARDY Productions. We are doing our first annual group ride. We're heading out to Billy's Beach Run right now. Well, it's called Billy's, but this is the Billy's Beach Run. We have literally too many people to name right now. That bolt is clean, dude. Huge shout out to our sponsors, Vital Ventures, Bolt Heads, Motorcycle Dress Up, and of course Orlando Yamaha Kawasaki for sponsoring a massive giveaway. I appreciate you guys so much. I cannot thank you enough for everybody who showed up and all the sponsors. You guys are freaking amazing, baby. Yeah, baby! Woo! This has been 3 months in the making, and it couldn't have fallen in a better place. I cannot thank you guys for all the support, just making this happen. For everybody at home watching that couldn't make it out to this ride, totally fine. We're going to be doing it next year. I'm just super pumped about this, guys. So we are about 3 minutes away from arriving at our destination, Billy's on the beach. I think that's what it's called, Billy's on the beach. Billy's something, it's a hot dog place on the beach. Really, really cool spot. I'm very excited. I'm hoping the beach isn't too packed and we have good parking. Regardless, we have motorcycles, so we're definitely going to be able to make it work, you know. Once we're there, we're going to be able to do our giveaway. We're going to start handing out raffle tickets, and I'm just really excited to give you guys all this stuff. Again, huge shout out to our sponsors, Vital Ventures, Bolt Heads, Motorcycle Dress Up, and of course, Orlando Yamaha, Kawasaki. Can't thank you guys enough. So definitely go check them all out. They've been super generous with me, and they are all, man, if you buy a shirt, they hook it up with so many other things. They're just freaking amazing people, dude. Guys, I don't normally talk about this too much just because my personal life is just that. It's my personal life. But I just want to give a huge shout out to my girlfriend, Haley. She is the person who has supported me through pretty much every step of this and just been ridiculously patient with me being myself and annoying, getting this all set up. So thank you, Haley. We made it, guys. We freaking made it. Oh my gosh, this thing's gonna lean far. We made it, guys. Look at these hooligans. Look at these absolute hooligans. There you go, Forrest. There you go.
Thank you, sir. I didn't know it was here. I always come here.
Dude, I love this place. Here you go. You got a ticket though?
This place is closed, right?
Billy's?
Yeah. I'm not joking. I just went to use the bathroom and they're closed. I'm so serious.
Wait. No. Why are they closed? They got shut down. Because they had undercooked meat.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Here, Ricardo, get a ticket. Everybody come up and get a ticket real quick. There you go. Here, I'll trade you a ticket.
All right.
For the bike. Get out of here, bro.
No, I really haven't got one. Look, I ain't got nothing in my pocket.
These Yamaha Bolt owners, man, I can't trust them.
Yeah, you can't.
There you go.
Awesome, thank you.
If you guys don't get a ticket, you can't win. You know what I mean? It's like America. You get a ticket, you may not win though. It's literally free stuff. I'm not gonna give you another one. I know how you are, dude. You look so relaxed while riding. You look tranquil. Tickets. Billy's was closed, so it's no longer Billy's Beach Run. It's just a TARDY Productions group ride. Billy's, I confirmed with them last week that we were okay to come, and 2 months ago I let them know, hey, we're going to be bringing 30 people there. Be ready. We didn't have 30 people, I don't think. We might have 30 people, I don't know. But Billy's got closed down because of undercooked meat. What's wrong with you, Billy? Cook your food. But we're going to a different place. I'm excited to try something new, actually. It wouldn't be a TARDY Productions adventure if there wasn't a mistake. Round 2! Whoa, these are crazy.
Yeah, they just screw right onto that.
Oh, it's extensions.
Yeah, just that part there. Watch out for old reverse behind you.
Oh, dang! That's a thick old boy!
It's come in handy once or twice.
Here, dude, I'm gonna take a video of this bear. What is that, a llama?
It's a llama.
Llama? Oh my gosh, bro.
It is. It looks perfect. God damn.
Gang, gang.
Food check.
It's like not freezing.
Choose one of the items here or the motorcycle jacket that's not physically here, but it is.
I don't know.
906. Alright, man, you can choose whatever package you want. I thought that was gonna be number 1. Let's take it. I was hoping you wouldn't get one.
I'll take the Alpine Star tag.
You want it?
Yeah.
You won the jacket, guys.
Okay, cool.
Good for you, bro. Right there.
Right here?
Yeah. Give me a ticket.
Go pick your prize.
Alright, it's all those.
I like green.
Oh.
at the house.
Yeah! Either this one or this one. Wait, that's other than the chassis.
All right, guys.
On the car. Oh, yeah. On the car. You got it for a small fee of $5,000. You're cool. Hell yeah.
Thumbs down stickers, however you want to look at it.
All right, guys, I think everybody's heading out. Alrighty, guys, we are almost home, but I wanted to stop by here and just thank everybody for coming out to the ride. If you guys made it out, thank you so much. If you guys didn't make it out, not a big deal. You'll make it to the next one. Thank you to all of our sponsors, Vital Ventures, Bolt Heads, Motorcycle Dress Up, and of course, Orlando Yamaha Kawasaki. You guys literally made this ride what it was. I'm really, really excited to see the footage that was taken in the car. I hope you guys enjoy it. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace. What a day!
Stop you.